guys! For today's mini vlog, samahan nyo ako magpunta ng Walmart, run some errands, and then sundin natin yung mga kapatid ko at kumain tayo sa Beaver Tales kasi minsan lang yun nandito, so kailangan makakain tayo, and then yeah, that's it. I don't know kung ano pang ganap, pero come with us. So nandito na tayo sa Walmart, guys. Nakakahiya pala mag-vlog. Wala akong kasama, so nahihiya ako. Pupunta lang tayo sa mga pangkulay ng hair. Here. Dito na tayo. So, yan. Sabi niya, mga parang brown or blonde. Ito na lang siguro, guys. Let's go. So, sale din siya. Ano lang, bayad na tayo. And then, susunduin na natin sila. Ngiya ako. So, I got what I need. Nakakaya palang mag-video pag mag-isa ka. So, sunduin na natin yung mga dapat sunduin. At nagugutom na ako. Para makakain na tayo ng Beaver Tales. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So, dahil nandito na siya, siya ng driver. Because I'm just a passenger princess. Let's go. Say hi to my vlog, guys. Naomi. We'll pick up Naomi. So, I'll pick up my sister, Naomi Makulit. So, nandito siya sa kanyang daycare. Hindi ko na bibidyohan kasi may mga ibang bata dito. Let's get your bag. What are you gonna say?
Thank you for picking up me.
Picking you up?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You did. You're so silly.
Let's go! Careful! Jump!
I jumped. Yeah,
Let's go! Where are we going?
to dessert place.
What are you eating, Naomi? Say hi to the vlog! So, nandito na kami ngayon. Dito nakaparada yung food truck sa ko. And pipila ka na kami. Sobrang haba ng pila, guys. So, ito yung Beaver Tales. So, yan yung menu nila. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa Beaver Tales. Naiyak ang daming tao. Bili kami. Samahan niyo ako. Tara.
I want strawberry lemonade.
Okay. Ate bought one. And we can share, okay? It's good. Do you like it? You want more? More. Don't say. She won't drink.
I think it's like lipstick. It looks like your lipstick.
It tastes like my lipstick? No. Guys, look at the sky. Sobrang ganda. So, minsan lang nandito tong Beaver Tales. Kaya, pag nandito sila, kumakain talaga kami. Are you happy?
Yes, thank you.
Here's our Beaver Tail. So, yung binili ko is pistachio. Look, it's so good. Looks so good. Let's try it. Oh, so good, guys.
You recommend?
Yes.
So, you saw my ate try the pistachio. So, I'm gonna try hazel amor. It's very chocolatey because it's called hazel. Good. It's nice and warm, toasty, and it's the right amount of chocolate.
Just a little appreciation with the clouds, guys. Look, sobrang ganda niya. Ang ganda. Hahatid na natin sila. Are you locking it? Oh, let's go na. Naomi, let's go. You wanna go down or you wanna stay here? That's my water. Oh, let's go na. Let's go down. So arte. Wait for ate. Wait for ate. Oh, her bag and her things. Oh, did you say bye-bye to Yajan? Say bye-bye to Yajan. Show yourself. You didn't kiss Yajan. Oh, let's go na. I told you, stay in my house. Why you don't want to go to my house? Come on, it will rain na.
It's a ripple cloud. Those are really rare.
Yeah. Now, let's go.
Are you going to?
No, I'm not going to your house. Love you. Love you. Love you. What you will say?
Thank you.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Love you. That's it for today's vlog. Bye.